Okay, now we're going to be looking at another exponent law, which is power of a power. So for example, I have x to the power of 4, and I want to put all of that to the power of 3. So I would read this as x to the power of 4 to the power of 3. So let's separate the first part. What is the base of this power?
X to the power of 4.
Right, x to the power of 4 is the base, and how many times am I going to write that? 3 times. Well, now all of a sudden, this turned into what type of operation? What type of question? Multiplication. I have x to the power of 4 times x to the power of 4 times x to the power of 4, because a power is repeated multiplication. What rule applies when you are multiplying powers with the same base? You add, exactly. All we need to do now is add all of these exponents together, write the base. They all have the same base, so it becomes x to the power of 12. Okay, let's try another one and see if you can figure out the rule. Y to the power of 2. All of that to the power of 5. So what's the base? Okay. Y to the power of 2. And how many times do I need to write that? 5 times. So now I have a repeated multiplication. I'm multiplying y to the power of 2 times 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 y to the power of 2. We are multiplying powers with the same base. What do you do when you multiply powers with the same base? Write the base. What's the base? Y. And now I need to add the exponents: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Did anyone pick up on the rule of what is the shortcut? What can we do here when we have a power of a power? What do? Multiply the exponents. Good. Okay, to simplify a power of a power, all we need to do is multiply the exponents. So as an example, 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 4 equals, simplified as a single power, 2 to the power of 12. Good. X to the power of 7 to the power of 4 equals, Sheena? X to the power of 28. Good. How about this one? Negative 4 to the power of 13. All of that to the power of 3. What's the base? Negative 4. Good. 13 times 3? 39. So it's negative 4 to the power of 39 because the base is negative 4. It's in brackets.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.